welcome back. Today I want to show you guys some simple, basic stretches to supplement your training and increase your flexibility. Let's get to it. All right, first move to do, grab your shoulder here, reach underneath, behind the elbow, and pull straight across. When you're doing this, try to keep your shoulder down. Don't let your shoulder come up like this. Hold that. You're pulling across the body, pulling the arm across the body, keeping it close to the chest. Feels good. Let's do the same thing here. Grab your shoulder with the hand, reach underneath with the arm, and pull across, shoulder down out of your ears as you're doing this. Hold these stretches for as long as you can. Moving on. Now, with one arm, you're going to take the hand and put it on the back of the same shoulder blade. Here, like this. The other hand, you're going to pull it back. So you're pulling your arm up and behind your shoulder blade. Pulling your arm up and behind. You want to try to touch the same blade. If you don't have flexibility, you can only go across, that's fine. But just make sure you're pushing your arm straight back. Let's do that the other side. Hand comes up. Give yourself a pat on the back. And yank it back. Like this. Try to maintain my upright body here. Just give it a stretch, should feel pretty good. You may be feeling a little tension after that one, pulling back. So stand with your head out. Put your hand on your lower back. Grab now the side of the head. Pull it down. As you're doing this, you just feel a stretch across the neck here. I'm not yanking my head. I'm just kind of putting the weight of my hand on there. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Good. Do that for a few seconds. And now from here, you're going to grab the back of your head and push it forward. As you're doing that, you're breathing deep in and out. And just letting gravity take over. I'm not tugging or trying to force anything on these stretches. Just let gravity kind of take over. There. Other side, same thing. Grab the side of your head. Pull your head down to the side. And let gravity happen here. The shoulders relaxed. Feel a nice stretch in there. I like to keep the hand on my lower back here to help keep my posture kind of hanging out here. It's not as beautiful to put your hand on your lower back to kind of keep your posture and your body upright. All right? Give it a second. Good. And now from the back of your head, move your hand and push forward and stretch it out. A little bit of shoulder and neck stretch. Let's move on to the arms. From here, push your hands, palms out, and like you're holding up a wall. And then from here, twist them in. You're going to drop the hands down and whip them back across. As I'm doing this, I'm trying to keep those elbows extended out. And push out at the end of that, so the palms are out. Just like in the starting position. You're going to drop the hands down. You got a whole rotation there, and then turn the hands over. This one's a good dynamic move to get all the muscles in the forearms stretching and going. All right, moving on to some simple stretches you can do for your legs. First of all, you take a knee. You want to sit back and stretch all along the abs in here and the core. And then of course you can push forward again. Okay, sit back, stretch, keep your body upright and tall, and stretch all along in here. And then forward, stretch the other side. Move to the other leg. and give you a side view. So from here, I stretch, pull back, hold it for a few seconds, and then I push forward and lean on that knee a little bit. Again, I'm not putting any pressure or trying to force anything. I should just feel a little bit of a stretch in here, in my rear end, in my hip. That's it. Another one I like to do from here is take a sumo squat position, get down in it, and here, push out with your arms against your legs. Give a little stretch. And you want to be sitting upright as much as you can. Let me show you from the side. Wide stance, toes out. I squat down into it, knees following the toes, arms on the thigh, inside of the thighs, and you push and try to sit up. Just hold this. You should feel that sucker burning on inside the legs. For my next set, I'm going to be using a chair for a little bit of help. I'm just going to extend one leg onto the chair, bend down into this, and now from here, I'm going to be pushing my body forward into the chair, into the leg. No need to be pushing on anything from here. If you want to, you can reach and try to touch the toes, but again, I'm not going to cheat myself or try to hunch over. I want to keep upright body and just strive to touch them. This is great for getting your Wing Chun kicks in, and especially when you start on your Chum Kiu form, you want to increase that flexibility. Push, okay? After you've done that, turn to the side from here, when you adjust your foot a little bit, and you're going to sit down. Now again, I can put my hands here on the supporting leg. I don't want to put it here. I don't want this kind of thing going where I'm trying to force myself down. I'm just sitting as far down as I can go. And I should be feeling the burn. That's what you want to be doing here. It's feeling the burn. And do the same thing with the other leg. Leg up, sink down a little bit, and tip forward. All right, if I want to, I can try to touch the toe. If I can't get there yet, no problem. I can still feel it's working. Good. Stand up. Turn and sink. And you may recognize this out of Chum Kiu with this nice lateral position here. Or you can hold the hands if you want. Or try something higher. From here, I'm just sinking down, getting a good stretch in here. Whew. That'll get your body ready to work. These simple stretches are just basic stretches that you can apply to anything. Getting that upper body stretched out and getting the legs ready for your Wing Chun kicks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you can work on this stretching and improve your life through Kung Fu. So, until next time, remember, Kung Fu is for everybody. Bye.